Solar electricity. When the sun's energy strikes the solar cells, direct electrical current is produced. This power will travel from the solar cells to an inverter, which converts this DC power to AC power, which can then be used to power your entire home. Your lights, your appliances, your air conditioning are now powered by the sun, and the same system will power your pool equipment and outdoor lighting. When you produce more power than you are using, this excess power will be exported back to your utility company, and you can watch your electric meter spin backwards, selling your solar power back to the utility company at the same price they were happy to sell it to you. Solar pool heating. A solar sensor on the roof will automatically send a signal to your solar control system when the sun's energy can begin to heat your pool. When this happens, your solar valve will automatically open and divert your pool water to your SunTrek solar pool heating collectors. When the pool reaches your desired temperature, your solar pool heating system will then wait for the signal to heat your spa. This will occur automatically at the end of the filtration cycle, and the collectors will be isolated to your spa, bringing you hot spa temperatures for you to enjoy with your warm pool and no gas bill. Solar hot water. Often taken for granted, conventional gas and electric hot water needs to be a thing of the past. 40 gallons of water is heated by the sun, and when hot water is on demand in your home, this same solar hot water will replace the stored hot water in your conventional hot water heater or tankless water heater, preventing them from firing. Free solar hot water will be delivered to your washing machine, dishwasher, showers, and baths. Many countries in the world already have solar hot water as a standard appliance, and clearly our time has come to adopt the same simple technology in our daily lives. Visit SunTrek at suntreksolar.com.
Smile.